Welcome to the introduction to the assessments content for Google Classroom. There's a lot of content to explore. I'm just going to show you simply how it works. First, we're going to go to math problem solving and pick View for some second grade math problems. I'm going to select a few problems to assign to my students. 1, 2, 3, and 6. Then I click the Google Assign and then assign them into my class. From here, I can click View into my stream. So the stream has a link that goes to the report. But let's take a look first at what happens for the students. And I'll click Refresh, because that assignment was just assigned. And the assignment shows up on the student's stream. I will click on the link. And for the students, the link goes to the problems. They get delivered one at a time. And there are 4 different ways a student can answer a problem. They can answer it correctly, and they'll get a green check. They can answer it wrong, and then try again and get it right within the partial credit, and they get a green X. They can also try again until they've exhausted their partial credit, and then finally get it correct, and that'll give them a red X. The last way that they can answer is by just looking at the answer and copying it down and typing it in, hopefully after trying a few times. In this case, they get a bright yellow behind the X as a warning to the teacher. Finally, they submit their work, and they can look at their report, and their work is submitted into Google Classroom. So back in the teacher's stream, the teacher can click on the link, and it goes somewhere very different. It goes to a report. This report can then be anonymized so that it can be shown to the class to review the work. Common wrong answers will be shown as well. Notice the bright yellow background for when the students saw the answer. Finally, the teacher can click on Upload Grades, and the grade for this assignment will go into the stream. So when I click back here and click on the assignment, I will see the percent correct for that assignment. Let's go back to the content. There's a second type of problem set. They're called skill builders. I'll click on those and I'll pick this one. This time when I click on view problems, there's no check boxes because I need to assign it directly. Now I can assign it to my classroom. When I view, it's the same thing. I have the assignment here. Let's go take a quick look at what it looks like for the student. I'll refresh the screen, and here's the assignment. The student clicks on it, but what's different here is that in the upper left-hand corner, it doesn't say that there's 4 or 3 or 2 problems. It says answer 3 correctly in a row. And if the student gets it wrong, they're told they're wrong, and this one, even though they still have to write the right answer, 780, it won't count for the 3 right in a row. They can go to the next problem. There's going to be hints that they can look at. 300 to help them. Still, that doesn't count. So now I can get 3 right in a row for 458 and then 210. Once I have my 3 correct in a row, then I once again submit my work, and then that's delivered to the teacher. So back here, when the teacher clicks on the link, it'll go to a report, but since all we're looking for is 3 right in a row, the teacher gets a check mark if the student has achieved that. They can also see how many problems they took to achieve that, and also the amount of time. Then the grade can be uploaded. What's different about this grade, however, is all that gets recorded in Google Classroom is whether the student did it or not how many it took. So if they complete and get their 3 right in a row, they get the 100%. So that is the assessments content for Google Classroom. Explore and enjoy.